Good afternoon, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, dear parents and my beloved children, Little Angels Maya 2025. Well, with hearts full of excitement and joy, we welcome you all to this grand celebration, Little Angels Maya 2025. This afternoon till evening is going to be a mesmerizing journey of talent, rhythm, and celebration. Well, but before that beautiful journey, it is our privilege to honor the esteemed dignitaries of our school, very responsible persons whose wisdom guide us and inspire us with their great leadership. So it is my great honor to invite to this stage our respected correspondent sir, Sir Chatla Narasimha Rao. Yes, our esteemed director sir, Sir Chatla Rajesh Garu. Well, we have a dedicated academic in charge madams, Srimati Syed Zarina and Srimati Rajalakshmi. Sir and madams, we request you to grace the stage with your presence. Yes, let's welcome them with a huge round of applause onto the stage. Please join me to welcome them onto the stage. Well, having said that, it's my honor now to invite, to express a formal welcome speech. It's my immense pleasure to call upon Srimati Syed Zarina ma'am to deliver her welcome speech. Please welcome her to the stage and let's be one with this grand celebration of Little Angels 2025 Maya. Ma'am, the stage is all yours.
Thank you, sir. And here, respected correspondent Sri Chatla Narasimha Rao Garu, Director Sri Chatla Rajesh Garu, my fellow academic in charge Srimati Rajalakshmi Madam, esteemed teachers, dear parents, and my wonderful students. A warm and joyous good afternoon to each and every one of you. It fills my heart with immense pride and happiness to stand before you as we come together to celebrate our such awaited school annual day, Little Angels Maya 2025. To my dear parents, we thank you to our continuous support and trust. Your encouragement helps our students and grow and shine in every field. Our special welcome to you all. And to our shining stars, our beloved students, this is your stage, your moment to show your talent, energy, and enthusiasm. Today is the day to celebrate your achievements, your creativity, and your boundless potential. So, dear audience, get ready for our afternoon full of color, rhythm, music, joy. Let's cheer our little angels and make that event an unforgettable one. So with that, I extend my warmest welcome to you, all of you. Thank you and enjoy the afternoon.
Thank you so much, Zarina ma'am, for your warm and heartfelt welcome speech. Your inspiring words have truly set the perfect tone for today's grand celebration. Well, ladies and gentlemen, every great institution to stand strong on the pillars of vision, dedication, and unwavering commitment. And here at Little Angel School, we are truly blessed to have a guiding light whose leadership has shaped the destiny of this institution. That's none but our beloved correspondent, Sir Sri Chatla Narasimha Rao, a leader who believes in excellence, a visionary who nurtures dreams, and a pillar of strength who has been instrumental in taking this institution to greater heights. So, it is our privilege to have him with us today. So, without further delay, I now request our esteemed correspondent, Sir Sri Chatla Narasimha Rao, to kindly address the gathering with his inspiring words. Sir, the stage is all yours.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. మరి ఈరోజు దాదాపు 15-20 సంవత్సరాల తర్వాత గ్రాండ్గా ఈ యానివర్సరీ జరుపుకుంటున్నాం. మరి ఈరోజు మనంతా కూడా మా విద్యార్థులు కానివ్వండి, తల్లిదండ్రులు కానివ్వండి, అందరూ కూడా సహాయం వల్ల ఈరోజు మేమంత ఉన్నత స్థితికి పోతున్నాం. మరి ఈరోజు ఈ సంవత్సరం మొన్న జరిగినటువంటి 10th క్లాస్ ఎగ్జామ్స్లో ఏదైనా కూడా కొలబద్ద ఆ 10th క్లాస్ మార్క్స్ 591 మార్కు వచ్చేసి మొట్టమొదటి ప్లేస్లో నిలిచినాడు. మరలా సెకండ్ ప్లేస్ వచ్చేసి 590, తర్వాత 589. ఈ విధంగా వరుసగా 1-2 పాయింట్ తేడాతో మొత్తం అందరూ పాస్ కావడం జరిగింది. మరి ఈ సందర్భంగా ఎక్కువ టైం తీసుకోలేను, ఎందువల్లంటే నాకు కాలు బాగలేదు కాబట్టి మీకు అందరికీ తెలుసు. అందువల్ల మీకు అందరికీ ఒక మారు ధన్యవాదాలు తెలుపుకుంటూ, ఎల్ల ప్రకారమే ఇదివరకైతే ఏ విధంగా అయితే దాదాపు 40 సంవత్సరాల నుంచి ఈ స్కూల్ స్టార్ట్ చేసి 40 సంవత్సరాలు అయింది. 1985లో స్టార్ట్ చేసాం. మరి 2025 ఈ సంవత్సరం 40 సంవత్సరాలు ప్రారంభించి ఈ విధంగా ముందుకు తీసుకుపోతున్నామంటే అదంతా కూడా మా తల్లిదండ్రుల యొక్క ప్రేమాభిమానాలు. మరి ఈ 40 సంవత్సరాల్లో మేము ఎన్నో ఆటుపోట్లు ఎదుర్కొన్నాం. అయినా సరే ఈరోజు మేము నిలబడి ఉన్నామంటే మా యొక్క కృషి. అంతేకాకుండా నా తర్వాత మా అబ్బాయి రాజేష్ కూడా చాలా బాగా పనిచేస్తున్నాడు. అంత యాక్టివ్గా ఉండబట్టే ఈరోజు మా స్కూలు ముందుకు పోతుంది. కాబట్టి ఎక్కువ టైం తీసుకోలేను కాబట్టి అందరికీ ధన్యవాదాలు తెలుపుకుంటూ సెలవు తీసుకుంటున్నాను.
Thank you, sir. Your words are always inspiring, and you are the source of inspiration to go ahead, to work wholeheartedly, and to bring up that result that always, not only we, even parents expect. Thank you so much for your words of encouragement and inspiration, sir. Thank you. Yes, I hope now everybody is waiting for the grand events. Yes, so now it's a privilege for me to hand over the mic to Salma Taslim to lead us into today's melodious starting of the next performance. Salma, stage is yours.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon everyone. A warm welcome to Little Angels Maya 2025, a celebration of talent, creativity and togetherness. This is Muhammad Salma Taslim from Nine Spark, and I'm honored to be your host as we embark on this memorable journey together. To set the tone for this auspicious occasion, we begin with a prayer to Lord Ganesha, the remover of obstacles and the harbinger of good fortune. Now, our talented students will present a beautiful prayer song, Ekadantaya Vakratundaya, seeking blessings for a successful and a joyful event. So, let us immerse ourselves in the divine melody and offer our reverence Please put your hands together and welcome our wonderful students to the stage.
गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यकलक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्मसदाराध्याय गुरुपुत्र परित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्डखण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गूढगुल्फाय गन्धमत्ताय भोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
गाढानुरागाय ग्रन्थाय गीताय ग्रन्थार्थतन्मये
गुणवते गणपतये ग्रन्थगीताय ग्रन्थगेयाय ग्रन्थान्तरात्मने गीतलीनाय गीताश्रयाय गीतवाद्यपटवे चरिताय गायकवराय गन्धर्वप्रियकृते कायकाधीन विग्रहाय गङ्गाजलप्रणयवते गौरीस्तनन्दनाय गौरीहृदयनन्दनाय गौरभानुसुताय गौरी गणेश्वराय गौरीप्रणयाय गौरीप्रवणाय गौरभावाय धीमहि गोसहस्राय गोवर्धनाय गोपगोपाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
Very mind-blowing performance by everyone. I am Manchkil Pati Rajalakshmi, academic in charge. It's an honor to stand before you today at Little Angels Maya 2025, a celebration of talent, dedication, and achievement. As educators, we are privileged to witness the journey of young minds growing, learning, and evolving into bright individuals, ready to take on the world. Now, our senior English faculty, Mr. Victor Barding, will deliver a special report on our school and today's celebrations. So I request Victor sir to be on the stage and give a special report for us. Thank you.
Good afternoon, respected principal, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. It is with immense joy and pride that I stand before you today to celebrate Little Angels Maya 2025, our school's much awaited annual event. This occasion is not just a celebration of talent and hard work, but a reflection of the incredible journey of our beloved Little Angels School, which has always been a beacon of excellence in education, discipline, and holistic development. Our school, Little Angels English Medium High School, has been shaping young minds with dedication and passion, providing an environment where students can explore their potential, embrace learning, and nurture their creativity. With a firm belief in the power of education, our institution has continuously strived to instill knowledge, discipline, and values that help our students become responsible and successful individuals. Behind this saga of success, and now the pioneer of a garland of pearls, is none but Mr. Chatla Narasimha Rao, the correspondent, the founder, educationist, leader, and a beautiful human being in social activities. Such, he has become a dictionary for all in every aspect of life. We truly owe a lot to him. It is said, As you sow, so you reap. Little Angels is fortunate to have committed, goal oriented, and passionate for perfection. You can guess is our beloved director Chatla Rajesh. At Little Angels, education is not confined to books alone. We focus on the all-round development of our students, and our activities throughout the year are testament of this vision. We have excelled not only in academic but also in co-curricular and extracurricular activities. Our students have participated in various competitions, including debates, quiz contests, science exhibitions, and cultural programs, bringing accolades and making us proud. We also take immense pride in our 10 Andhra Naval Unit NCC program, which instills discipline, leadership, and patriotism in our students. The cadets of our school, NCC unit, actively participate in various training camps, parades, and national level programs, demonstrating courage, resilience, and commitment to serving the nation. The dedication and achievements in NCC reflect core values of our institution. Well, cultural activities hold a special place in Little Angels. We believe in celebrating our diverse heritage through dance, music, drama, and art. Events like today's Maya 2025 showcase the incredible talents of our students and allow them to express themselves in the most creative ways. The performance you witness today are the result of dedication, hard work, and passion, guided by our esteemed teachers and mentors. Well, none of these achievements would have been possible without the relentless support and guidance of our dedicated teachers and the unwavering encouragement from our parents. Your trust in our institution has allowed us to continue striving for excellence and fostering a nurturing environment for our students. As we celebrate Maya 2025, let's take a moment to appreciate the hard work and dedication of everyone who has contributed to making this event a grand success. Let us continue to dream big, work hard, and uphold the values that Little Angels School stands for. Together, we will soar to greater heights and make our school proud. Thank you all and enjoy the evening. Jai Hind.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's an absolute honor and privilege to stand before you today for this vibrant celebration of talent and creativity. Little Angels Maya 2025. This is Muhammad Sadia from 9th Smart, and I will be guiding you through today's exciting program packed with spectacular performances by our incredible students. I promise to keep the energy high and the smiles bright as we witness the hard work and enthusiasm of our little stars unfold on this stage. Let's make this a memorable event together. And now, let's move on to one of the most awaited performances of the day. Our little bundles of energy from LKG are here to dazzle us with their electrifying moves. They are all set to groove to the lively beats of Mera Wala Dance from the movie Simba. So let's welcome our LKG boys with a huge round of applause as they bring their incredible spirits and joy to the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, sit back and enjoy the show.
One. मेरे इशारे पे तब दिन दिन नाचा जो ट्विटर पे ट्रेंड हो गया नासिक के ढोल पे धन 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 नाचा तो सबका दी एंड हो गया मेरे इशारे पे तब दिन दिन नाचा जो ट्विटर पे ट्रेंड हो गया नासिक के ढोल पे धन 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 नाचा तो सबका दी एंड हो गया सारी दुनिया में एक ही फेमस है मुंबई हो या और दिखा तू तुझे मेरा वाला डांस यह मेरा वाला डांस तो नाचू यह मेरा वाला डांस तो नाचू यह मेरा वाला डांस एक तेरे खातिर ही दिल ये possessive है मैं तेरे पीछे पड़ा असर तेरा मासूम है एक तेरे खातिर ही दिल ये possessive है मैं तेरे पीछे पड़ा असर तेरा मासूम है
मैंने लाखों को लॉक करके ही तुझको दिया है आ दिखा दे मुझे तेरा वाला डांस देखूं तो मैं कैसा है ये तेरा वाला डांस तो नाचूं
यह मेरा वाला डांस तो नाचू यह मेरा वाला डांस
That was simply incredible. Didn't they just light up the stage? Let's hear it out for our amazing LKG boys once again. Their energy, smiles, and adorable expressions truly stole the show. A heartfelt thank you to their teachers and parents whose efforts behind the scene made this performance so seamless and magical. LKG boys, you were the stars of this performance and you have shown us what a pure joy looks like. Another big round of applause for our little champions of Little Angels Maya 2025. And now, to continue this delightful journey of talent and celebration, let me invite Sukruti to take over and guide us to the next segment of our program. Please welcome her with a warm round of applause.
Good evening, everyone. It's an absolute pleasure to be here with all of you for Little Angels Maya 2025, a celebration of joy, creativity, and talent. This is Baya Sukruti from Night Smart, and I'm delighted to guide you through the next segment of this exciting program. The stage is set and the energy is rising as we gear up for an adorable performance by our LKG girls. These tiny stars are all set to grow to the evergreen hit Daddy Cool by the legendary group Bonnie M. So get ready to witness a delightful mix of charm, rhythm and cuteness. Let's give a big round of applause to our LKG girls as they take the stage to perform a dance to the iconic Daddy Cool. Over to our little angels.
4, 3, 2.
She's crazy about her daddy. She's crazy about her daddy. Oh, she believes in him. She loves her daddy. She's crazy like a fool. I'm daddy cool. I'm crazy like a fool. I'm daddy cool. Daddy cool. Daddy She's crazy like a fool. I'm daddy cool. I'm crazy like a fool. I'm daddy cool. Daddy cool. Daddy cool. Daddy She loves her daddy. She's crazy like a fool. I'm daddy cool. I'm crazy like a fool. I'm daddy cool. Daddy cool. Daddy cool. Daddy cool. Daddy cool. Oh, she believes in him.
Wasn't that absolutely adorable? Let's give you a huge round of applause for our LKG girls who just rocked the stage with their delightful performance. Their energy, coordination and those beaming smiles truly stole the show. A heartfelt thanks to the teachers and parents who have worked tirelessly behind the scene to bring out the best in our little performers. You have done a fantastic job. LKG girls, you are truly at the heart of Little Angels Maya 2025. Let's give them another big round of applause. And now, it's time to pass the mic to someone who will take us to the next exciting part of the program. Let's welcome Mitta Srivashita to the stage with a warm round of applause. Over to you, Srivashita.
Thank you, Sukriti.
Come on, dear parents. Let's give a big round of applause to this daddy cool performers. They were looking very cute. How elegant they look. Yes. Really, today they look so adorable. And we are going to have a series of such fantastic and really inspiring performances.
Good evening, everyone. It's privilege to be a part of this magnificent celebration, Little Angels Maya 2025. My name is Mitta Srivashita from 10th and I'm thrilled to be your host for the next exciting segment. The program so far has been nothing short of spectacular and it's only getting better. Up next, we have a group of energetic and talented UKG boys who are ready to set the stage on fire with their dance to the lively song Na 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 Re Dance. Their enthusiasm and charm are sure to leave you mesmerized. So, let's not keep you waiting. Please give a big round of applause as welcome our UKG boys to the stage to present their electrifying performance.
2, 1.
हो सारे डांस फ्लोर पे आओ, मौका खास है। हो सारे डांस फ्लोर पे आओ, मौका खास है। करनी जश्न की शुरुआत है। मस्ती भरी रात है, सोनी कुड़ियों का भी साथ है। अब जीने का ले ले मजा, अब करने की क्या बात है।
boys. And now it's time to hand over the mic to the next wonderful anchor, Mohammad Farheen, who will take us to the next part of this amazing program. Let's welcome her with a big round of applause. Over to you, Farheen.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's been an extraordinary day filled with incredible performances and boundless energy here at Little Angels Maya 2025. My name is Mohammad Farheen and I'm delighted to guide you to the next colorful segment of our program. Up next, we have a dazzling performance by our Viber Colors Girls team from UKG. These talented youngsters are set to captivate us with their vibrant dance to the popular Tamil song Acho 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 from the album Aranmanai, sung by the sensational hip-hop Tamiza. The lively energy and radiant charm are sure to brighten up the stage. Let's welcome our little stars, the Rainbow Colors Girls team, with a huge round of applause as they take the stage to perform Achacho. Over to our dazzling performers!
5, 3, 2, 1.
Achacho, achacho, achacho. Annabella conjuring, எல்லாம் நம்ம foreign wing. அம்பே உந்தன் நம்பர் சொல்லி தினமும் செவ்வேன் ட்ரிங். அசைக்கின ஆடிட்டிங், உங்க விசை எல்லாம் reporting. Coffee shop தேவையில்லை, எல்லாருக்கும் படிட்டிங். அச்சோ அச்சோ அச்சச்சோ, அச்சோ அச்சோ அச்சச்சோ. அச்சமுள்ள மச்சமெல்லாம் பத்திக்கிச்சோ. அச்சோ அச்சோ அச்சச்சோ, அக்கம் பக்கம் அச்சச்சோ. ஆதிட்ட காதைக்கிட்டு சிக்கிக்கிச்சோ. Achacho, achacho, சிக்கிக்கிச்சோ. அக்கம் பக்கம் யாரும் இல்ல, தன்னந்தனியே காட்டுக்குள்ள. வெக்கம் வெக்கம் ஏதும் இல்ல, வெட்டி பேச்சு எதுவும் தேவையும் இல்ல. நீ கொலை கொலையா வந்திருக்கா, திரும்பவும் பேய் வந்துருச்சா. காலையில கண் முழிச்சு காஃபி ஒன்று தந்துருச்சா. கொலை கொலையா வந்திருக்கா, தூக்கம் போது நின்றுருக்கா. காலையில மேட்ச் இருக்கு, கேஷ் போட்டுக்க வந்திருக்கா. யாருக்கு பாப் பாப் கேக்குது, டாப் டாப் காட்டுக்குள்ள லாப்ல போயிடுது. ஆட்டம் கூடுது, ஆட்டலை பெருது. ஆசாக ஆட்டுக்குள்ள ஆட்டம் பாம்பு போடுது. அச்சோ அச்சோ அச்சச்சோ, அச்சோ அச்சோ அச்சச்சோ. அச்சமுள்ள மச்சமெல்லாம் பத்திக்கிச்சோ. அச்சோ அச்சோ அச்சச்சோ, அக்கம் பக்கம் அச்சச்சோ. ஆகிட்ட காதைக்கிட்டு சிக்கிக்கிச்சோ.
Wasn't that a burst of colors and joy? Let's hear for our Viber Colors Girls team from UKG for such a stunning performance with their adorable expressions, florid moves, and sparkling energy.
make this act truly memorable. A heartfelt thanks to the teachers and parents who had worked tirelessly to ensure this performance such a grand success. Girls, you have done a fabulous job and brought so much happiness to the stage. Let's give them another round of applause for lighting up Little Angels Maya 2025 with their brilliance. And now, to keep this wonderful program going, I would like to invite our next anchor, Sheikh Alisha, to the stage and guide us to this next part of this amazing celebration. Please give her a warm welcome.
Dear parents, a humble request from each of you. Please stand in your, sit in your place and just watch and enjoy the program with these cute looking kids. The next performance.
Good evening, everyone. What an amazing day it has been here at the Angels Maya 2025. My name is Sheikh Alisha, 9th Smart, and it's my pleasure to continue hosting this incredible celebration of talent and creativity. Each performance has left us spellbound, and the energy in this room is absolutely electric. Up next, we have something truly spectacular for you. Our talented UKG boys and girls are coming together to perform an energetic dance to the vibrant Punjabi song, Band Baja, sung by Jessie Jassa, JSL Singh and Tarana Malik Jain. Get ready to be blown away by their super and fantastic moves. Let's give a huge round of applause and welcome our amazing UKG boys and girls as they take the stage to perform Band Baja. Over to our little superstars.
2, 1.
केवल बोले प्रेम की भाषा जाके तू इसके
our UKG boys and girls for their energetic and fabulous performance. Your enthusiasm, synchronization, and vibrant energy made this an unforgettable act. A big thank you to the teachers and parents who supported these young talents, making this performance such a grand success. UKG boys and girls, you truly lit up the stage with your fantastic dance moves. Well done. And now it's time to hand over the mic to our next host, Syed Maria, who will take us to the next exciting part of the program. Please welcome her with a warm round of applause.
Everyone, I am Maria from class 10 and it is my honor to be here and introduce the next program, which showcases the beauty and grandeur of our cultural heritage. The upcoming performance is a Yakshagana dance. For those unfamiliar, Yakshagana is a traditional dance drama form from South India. It uniquely blends music, dance and storytelling. It is especially beloved in coastal regions of Karnataka and Kasaragod district of Kerala. So today our talented girls from classes 8th, 9th and 10th are here to present this cultural art form with their graceful moves and captivating storytelling. Let's welcome them with a huge round of applause. Girls, the stage is yours. Let's show them our encouragement with cheers and claps.
3, 2, 1.
performance. You all captured the essence of Yakshagana so beautifully, combining tradition with elegance. Let's give them another thunderous round of applause for bringing this cultural art to life on stage. Now, to take the program forward, I would like to invite Sheikh Sadia to come on stage and continue the program. Over to you, Sadia.